AI overview. If deity is represented by the essence 577029006, then based on numerology, this could potentially refer to the deity, Saturn. Explanation. Numerology and planetary associations. In numerology, each number is often linked to a planet, and the number 5 is generally associated with Saturn. Number breakdown. 5 represents Saturn directly. 7 repeated can be seen as an amplification of Saturn's influence, often linked to discipline, structure, and deep contemplation, which are traits associated with Saturn. 0 repeated may represent a potential for new beginnings or a blank slate, signifying a cycle of renewal under Saturn's governance. 2 and 9. While not as directly linked to Saturn, these numbers could represent aspects of partnerships and humanitarianism, potentially signifying the wider impact of Saturn's influence on the world. In this code, 577029006 likely represents God by using the numerical values of each letter in the word when mapped to the corresponding position on a phone keypad. G, as on the 3 key, so 5 represents the first pressed middle position on the keypad. O, as also on the 0 key, so 0 represents the letter O in this code. D, as on the 3 key, so 2 represents the second press right position on the keypad. Therefore, 577029006 translates to God when using a standard phone keypad letter mapping.
Alright, we'll give you your first clue. Here at the bottom, right here, IE, and everything else you see here is the result. Say cool. Just listen up. IE, that's why.
AI overview. What you're solving for. The golden ratio. What's given in the problem? The golden ratio is often represented by the Greek letter phi. Helpful information. The golden ratio is approximately. The golden ratio can be calculated using the formula. The golden ratio is closely related to the Fibonacci sequence, where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. How to solve. Explain the golden ratio and its significance. Step 1. Ellipsis. Explain what the golden ratio is. The golden ratio is a special number approximately equal to dot. It is often represented by the Greek letter phi. Closing parenthesis dot. Step 2. Ellipsis. Explain how to calculate the golden ratio. Step 3. Ellipsis. Explain the relationship between the golden ratio and the Fibonacci sequence. The golden ratio is closely related to the Fibonacci sequence, where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. Closing parenthesis dot. As the sequence progresses, the ratio of any number to the preceding one approaches the golden ratio. Step 4. Ellipsis. Explain the significance of T.
Then I will so as 384 301 317 996.